So it's 7:26 a.m. on Thursday, August 8th, 2019. I just got a phone call from MetLife Insurance Company saying that they have dropped all coverage based on their IME doctor, their independent medical physician who, whatever, is designed to drop people, even people from coverage insurance. It doesn't matter what other doctors say. There's other doctors that have written letters opposing his assessment. So I don't know what we're gonna do now. Nobody's gonna hire me under this condition. They say that they think that they have found me somebody to work for. They say that my only restrictions are not to lift things heavy or climb ladders or do things, physical things of that nature. So they're thinking some type of data person, or I don't know what they're talking about. So so somebody in that office is going to be fine with me having these hiccups and choking spasms while I'm working in their environment, because 10 months I worked in this condition, they couldn't handle it. And that's the surgery department in the hospital I work. So I'm really frightened right now. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. This is just the worst thing that could happen right now. They said I can appeal it. Well, I have a doctor's appointment this Friday with the doctor that their IME doctor referred me to, which is the surgeon that works in the hospital I work, who for the last months I've been trying to prep him because I knew that they were doing this investigation, and I know that they were determined to come out with this ending, and he's just never responded to my certified letters, to my emails, to all my phone calls. So I've scheduled an appointment for this Friday to confront him, because he's the reason this is actually happening now. Because they won't release me to work, but the MetLife's IME doctor says that I can. So there's a discrepancy between physicians, and a battle between a doctor that's hired by MetLife to get rid of patients. Period. And I have a slew of physicians who will not release me to work. So I'm like in the middle of all this, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what to do. This is so fucked up.